What is the correct transformation of "we made it" according to the provided language rules? Let's take our phrase and, going through the rules one by one, make any necessary changes. We begin with our phrase, "we made it." In accordance with rule number 1, the subject and nouns are marked by an E sound at the beginning of the word. We mark the subject, "we," with an E at the beginning, giving us the phrase, we made it." There are no articles in this sentence, so we can ignore rule number 2. Our next rule focuses on simple versus progressive verbs. Our verb, made, is simple, as it's describing something that happened in the past as opposed to something ongoing. If it were progressive, our sentence would read, "we are making it." As simple verbs receive an "oli," our phrase currently reads, "we made oli it." Finally, our last rule focuses on tense. Our sentence is in the past tense. It's describing something that's already happened. As we can see, past tense is marked by the particle gore. This being the case, we can revert our verb to its base form, made, as make is a past tense indicator, and with our past tense indicator gore, we don't need two indicators. As the rules don't tell us where to put this past tense particle, let's simply put it at the beginning of the sentence and see where our options place it. With this in mind, our final sentence is, "Gore iwi make it." Let's now take a look at our choices. A.
Iwi mediali gorit.
This choice includes two part tense indicators, made and gore. Because it didn't change made into its base form make, we can mark this choice as incorrect. B.
Itwi makiali gore.
This choice doesn't have the necessary E before the subject we. This can be marked off as well. C.
Gore iwi makiali it.
This actually matches our sentence word for word, and is therefore likely our final answer. We can take a look at choice D just to be sure. D.
Iwi bore mediali it.
This sentence uses both bore, the present tense marker, instead of gore, the past tense marker, and doesn't switch made into its base form make. Based on this, we can mark this choice off and mark choice C as our final answer.